Since you asked me about physics, right? To be honest, at that point, I was not good with physics at all. I didn't know what physics was also. So all I needed was an opportunity to teach. So I was good at math. So one of my roommates was actually teaching in one of the institutes, and he had to come out due to some personal commitments. That is when I asked him, is there an opportunity where you can get me a teaching job? So he told, there is an institute, but they don't have necessity for math, they have for physics. So that was actually a big shocker for me. So that is when I had to start learning physics.
Oh, you
So
start
though I knew the subject, but I didn't know the subject to the extent to which I can deliver.
Okay, I want to pause here.
Yeah.
You are curious about math.
Yes.
Then you are willing to put effort to learn physics.
Correct.
அது அவ்வளோ ஈஸியா ஆன் த ஸ்பாட்டில் வந்து வாட் மேட் யூ அது எவ்வளோ எல்லாருக்குமே வந்து மேக்ஸ் ஃபிசிக்ஸ் எல்லாமே ரொம்ப ஹார்டான விஷயம்.
ஸோ இப்போ இங்கே தான் வந்து ஐ டாக் அபவுட் லேர்னிங் அண்ட் டீச்சிங் அட் த சேம். ஸோ when you ask the question, அவ்வளோ ஈஸியான்னு கேட்டால் it was not easy. I'll tell you, the first day I had to step into the class, there was only one student sitting. That was a fortunate thing for me, where when the student actually brought her textbook and started asking questions, it took some time for me to reflect. So that day I did not have much of answers. Maybe it was a kind, I still remember that day. Maybe it was a kind of anxiety or something that I had, because I had my doubts in head whether I'm capable or not. So that is when I found a technique where I asked the student to read out certain things. So when she read out certain concepts from the textbook, I tried to convert it to stories, to explain it to her with real-time examples that actually solve two purposes.
Okay.
One is I could cover my weakness. And second thing is, it also helped her understand the subject through her words itself. So whatever she was reading, all that I had to do is convert it to a story and explain it to her with real-time connections. So that actually helped me also to learn the subject in a better way to deliver it. So that is when I started practicing. Like we say, anything is about practice, right? So that is when, after my office hours, I also started studying physics. So when I look at any subject, right, the first question that I ask is, how should someone teach me so that I will be able to understand? If I'm not able to understand the subject, I'm not eligible enough to teach. Anything that you say, right, it is all about understanding the subject, absorbing it, and delivering it as per the need of the other person. It is not about showcasing your talent. It is about having the understanding capability to digest and understand what the other person want. அதை simplify பண்ணிட்டு give it to the other person.
Learn how to build high-performing teams that require zero maintenance with Radhakrishna's new book,